I would like to draw your attention how to calculate bond price using Excel function price, which consider the real dates. Up to now we have used the dates always at the end of the year, on 31st of December. In reality, the bonds are priced or valued using different dates. So I will show you how it works in the real life. So we shall calculate the value of two bonds with the same coupon rate and the yield to maturity and different maturities. You can see here in the column B from the 9th of May 2020, 3 years after, there is a maturity date. So this is the first bond. The second bond is from the 1st of January 2020 to the 1st of January 2030, 10 years. So first on 3 years, second on 10 years. Same annual coupon rate, 5.5%, same yield to maturity or discount rate, 3.5%, redemption value, 100%. It means that you will pay all your bonds until the end. So it's 100% of the face value. And you have only one payment of the coupons per year. The bond price, depending on the bond here, it's for the first and 3 years maturity, 105.603, and for the second one, 116.633. Okay, if we use the function in Excel, insert function price, you see in the first one, in the B8, you click on the B2 settlement date firstly, then you click on the B3 maturity date, then you click on the B4 annual coupon rate 5.5%, then you click on the B5 yield to maturity 3.5%, on the B6 100% for the redemption value. Excel asks you if you will repay all your bonds, and final input B7 number of the payments per year. Once per year you will pay your bonds. Enter and you will get the price of $105.603. So this is the bond price using the price Excel function, very useful, which uses the exact dates of the settlement dates when you issue the bonds and when the bonds mature. Same can be done for the column C. For the 10 years maturity of the bonds, you will get $116.633 using the function price from the column C. So you can practice that at home and you will see that it works perfectly well.